my dear children. Now I am going to teach you the sound of is. S, is. Before we have seen the sound of WL, ill. Now we are going to learn WS, is. Look at the picture and word. Listen carefully. Now I am going to read the word. Listen carefully. What is this? Cross. What is this? Cross. C-R-O, craw. W-S is cross. This one is glass. G-L-A, gla. W-S is glass. What is the third picture? Chess. Chess. C-H, each sound, E. Che, is. Chess. This one is as. As. The A-W-S is as. Cross, glass, chess, as. See the second line picture. What is this? Class. Class. This one is glass. This one is class. C-L-A, cla. W-S is class. This one is glass. This one is class. Cross. Cross. This one is grass. This one is cross. Dress. D-R-E-W-S is dress. Across. Across. Across means crossing the road. Okay. Across. A-C-R-O, across, is. W-S is across. Class, grass, dress, across. Are you clear? Now I am going to read aloud the sound of yes, is sound. What are the words coming? The sound of is. Now I am going to read. Listen carefully the word. Dis. Dis. D-I-D. W-S is dis. His. H-I, he. W-S is his. Press. Mass. M-A, ma. W-S is mass. Dis. His. Press. Mass. Mess. M-E, me. W-S is mess. Less. Toes. Toes. T-O, toe. W-S is toes. Loss. Sometime here we are using the O as sound. Okay, loss. L-O-W-S, loss. Pass. P-A, pa. W-S is pass. Bless. B-L-E, bla. W-S is bless. Bliss. B-ip sound. L-I, li sound. Play. W-S is bliss. His. His. Kiss. K-K-I, key. W-S is kiss. This one is bras. Bras. B-ip sound. R-A, ra sound. Bra. W-S is bras. Miss. M-I, me. W-S is sound. Miss. Okay. Now I am going to read once again. Listen carefully. Dis. His. Press. Mass. Mess. Less. Toes. Loss. Pass. Bless. Bliss. Kiss. Bras. Miss. Okay. Thank you for you listen the class. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.